Good morning friends, Vijay here. Today I am very happy to share with you one of the fastest growing company Vestige product and its opportunity and its marketing plan to you. Friends, if you take the 100 people in their age of 65 years, 36% people are no more and 54% people are dependent in their age of 65 and 5% people are still working and 4% people only they are financially independent in their age of 65. Only 1% people who born with a silver spoon. Friends, you can have everything in your life you want if you will just help other people get what they want. Today, if you see what people are looking, everyone wanted to be wealthy and healthy. But getting wealthy and healthy together, it is very tough. But the aim of the company Vestige is to give the distributor health and wealth together. Vestige, wish you well. If you see WLLTH, it looks like a spelling mistake, but it's not spelling mistake. Wealth, WLLTH, means wealth through wellness. In your success lies our success. Vestige is the company always believe on the success of the distributor is success of the company. That's what they created word in your success lies our success. Our MD Mr. Gautam Bali, he has more than 25 years of experience in network marketing. Mr. Gautam Bali is one of the visionary person. Along with Mr. Gautam Bali, Mr. Deepak Sood and Mr. Kanwar Bir Singh. These two people also have a very great experience in network marketing. Our company profile. Vestige started in the year of 2004 with two offices. One is in Delhi, another one is in Bangalore, and two products, 6 distributor. If you see the growth of the company in last 16 years, it is very phenomenal rate of growth. Today we have more than 2 crore distributor base in India, more than 40 plus branch office all over the India, plus more than 2500 DCC and DLCPs we have in India, and online office where you can place your order in online and product will get delivered to your home. And the product we have today more than 300 plus products in our portfolio. And today Vestige is the international company. We are successfully running our business in Dubai, Nepal, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Thailand. Now we also started in Ghana. Very soon Vestige is going to open our office in Cameroon, Nigeria, Philippines and so many countries. We are working on it. And before 2020 Vestige aimed to open minimum 20 countries, and before 2025 Vestige aimed to be in 50 countries. The growth of the company, if you see in 2004-2005 we did 5 crore, then it is 10 crore, then it get gradually increased. If you see the growth few year, it is more than 150% growth, right? So last year we complete with the 2300 crore turnover. In the last 16 years the total growth, average growth is more than 79% growth. And in the global market, there are thousands of network marketing companies are available, and in the top 100 direct selling companies list, there is only one company which is listed from India is Vestige. And today we are proudly present in the 30th position in the global ranking. And Vestige aim to be in the top 10 direct selling company in the world. So we aim to reach top 10 direct selling company by 2025. And Vestige received a best nutrical company award from Honorable Education Minister of Bangladesh, Mr. Nurul Islam Nayed, and Vestige Ambassador. So more than 16 Vestige ambassadors are there in Vestige now, and trainings and support. Vestige is the company which always believe on success of the distributor. So if the distributor want to get success, there should be a proper system. So there should be a training for the distributor. That's what our company created, a proper system and training for distributors like CNT, Cellular Nourishment Therapy, Be Gracious Day, Be Healthcare Training, Vestige Initiate Program, Meet the Millionaire, Leadership Conclave, Dale Carnegie, Vestige Wellness Symposium. Friends, today Vestige more than 2 crore distributor, and today one of the number one direct selling company in India. See, all these things are happening in last 16 years. The reason is the perfect system. So the same system, the same training model we are also implementing in other countries like Dubai, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia. On coming years in all the countries we are presenting the same training support for our distributors. Tools, business tools. We have Car Book, Car Achievers. presenting their profile. We have a car book and leading ladies book. Successful woman distributor. So speaking about their success story, we have a leading ladies book, corporate AV video, business starter kit, product catalog, success plan book, health guide. So each and every products, what time we have to use, what are the benefits of using product, everything is mentioned. The health guide, voice magazine, flip chart, product CD, everything we have. So these tools will help you when you go and meet the distributor. It will give you the confidence. So all the tools we have. Product profile, we have our own manufacturing unit in Himachal Pradesh. Vestige has the R&D, research and development center in India, and we have research and development center in Russia also. And our products coming with the GMP certificate and ISO certificate products and halal certificate and FDA standard products. And so we have all the certificate, excellency award certificate, best manufacturing unit certificate, ISO certificate for environment management system, ISO certificate for health and safety management system, ISO certificate for energy management system, ISO certificate for security management system, and ISO certificate for food healthy and safety management system. In product overview, we have extensive range of products, and the products are world quality product, and the products value will speak. The products is the value for money. So the money which you are spending, the product will give you the more value than the money which you are spending. And product is the profit based product and international quality product which we have. CNT, cellular nourishment therapy. So Vestige products works with the cellular nourishment therapy. What is meant by cellular nourishment therapy? You know, our body is fully made by cells. 63 trillion cells are there in our body. So if the cells are active, and our body will be active, but the cells every day lakhs and lakhs of cells are get destroyed from our body and new cells are reproduced. If you ask, is the cells are really active? No. The reason is the food which we are taking and the water which we consume and even the air what we consume, everything is polluted because of lifestyle. So our cells are not active. When you consume our Vestige products, so our cells will be active and with energetic, and it prevents from the disease. In product overview, we have Vestige Prime category product, Extract V, Extract F, Grill Oil. In product, we have Flex Oil, we have L-arginine, we have Coenzyme Q10, and Glycemic Health. For diabetic, we have Neem capsule, we have Stevia, and joint and bones, we have calcium, we have glucosamine, and immunity boost. Immunity boost category, we have Amla, Spirulina, Colostrum, Noni, aloe vera. Friends, if you see, today the whole world is looking for an immunity boost. So there is only one way to protect from virus is increase your immunity. Vestige is the company which focus on the healthcare industry. So and we have products for the immunity booster products. So we have a very good business opportunity. So people are looking for the immunity boost product. Detox and regeneration, we have product Ganoderma, curcumine, food pack, dietary fiber. Fitness and diet, we have products for Veslim shake, Veslim capsule, and protein powder. For women's health, we have Satavari Max, Cranberry, and Iron Folic. And hair care, we have 3 type of shampoo: oily hair, normal hair, dry hair spa, hair oil. And face care, we have Assure face wash, Assure fairness cream, and we have BP cream and sunscreen Escape 30, daily moisturizing, and cleanser and toner. So many products we have in face care. And body care, we have deo for men and women, powder for men and women. We have body wash, body polish, and hand and body lotion, food cream, hand wash, pain relief cream, shaving cream, and agriculture product. To increase the yield, we have agriculture product, health food. We have Freshenup drink, Enerva breakfast cereal, Lighthouse rice bran oil, olive oil, Envigo protein powder, chocolate bar, and Zeta tea and Zeta coffee. In oral care category, we have toothpaste, toothbrush, and mouthwash, Ganoderma toothpaste, whitening toothpaste, and we have air purifier and Ayush and Day. Ayurveda based product we have for kidney care, liver care, tox clean, ProHeart. So products we have in the Ayush and category. Truman, especially for men's, we have Truman products, and Skin Formula 9 products we have, and Hivest, hygiene in our home. We have Hivest product for cloth wash, vessel wash, floor wash, toilet cleaner. We have products from Hivest and Mist of Milan, lipsticks, nail polish, mascara. So many products we have into the Mist of Milan product. And Dew Garden, especially for women, and water purifier we have one more milestone in Vestige Best Deal. Vestige Best Deal is the e-commerce portal where the products which is available in the market will be available in Vestige Best Deal. So, but here you will be getting a 100% genuine products. So through the Vestige Best Deal, you will be getting a branded products. So Vestige Best Deal is going to be a one-stop platform for all your needs. Friends, if you see, there are more than 300 plus products available in Vestige. So all the products are required for all the family members, and the product price are so very reasonable and international quality product. As the company says, first thing, health. So when you start consuming Vestige product, you will be healthy. Second thing, money. How to earn money. So how we can earn money, that is we are going to discuss in Vestige marketing plan. In Vestige marketing plan, we have 9 way of income. One is the saving and consumption, 10 to 20%, and performance bonus 5 to 11%, special bronze director bonus 4%, business building bonus silver director and above 14%, leadership overriding bonus 16%, travel fund 5%, car fund 5%, house fund 3%, and elite bonus club 2%. Other than this performance bonus, if you calculate from bronze director bonus to elite club bonus, it is 49% royalty income. What is meant by royalty income? The business which you did once, you will be getting a royalty income for your lifetime. That is 49%. See, 49% royalty is the huge income in network marketing. So Vestige is the company which is giving 49% royalty for your life. Not only for your life, it is for your generation. The business which you are doing with Vestige is for your generation business. How to join with the Vestige opportunity? Here, joining formalities is very simple. So once you join with Vestige, just buy 30 PV to activate your Vestige distributor ID. That is your lifetime ID, and the ID is the international ID. Using that ID, you can start doing business wherever the office is available. Right now, we are in Dubai, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Ghana. So the same distributor ID you can use in all the country. Along with the distributor ID, also you will get password. Using that password, you can log in our myvestige.com portal where you can check your profile, your point, your bonus, your downline details. You can install our mobile app. You can do joining. You can place your order. Everything you can do when you become a Vestige distributor. The first income, saving and consumption. So the difference between the retail profit and the MRP is the saving and consumption. First income. For example, Vestige is Zeta T. Zeta T MRP is 120 rupees. Friends, imagine when you go and purchase this 120 rupees worth of product into the supermarket, you will be getting the same price, right? But in Vestige, when you join with the Vestige distributor, you will be getting a product into the distributor price only. So the Zeta T MRP is 120 rupees, but when you purchase the product as a distributor, you will be getting the product for 107 rupees. That means 13 rupees is your instant saving. Second one is performance bonus. Performance bonus from 1 PV to 600 PV 5%, 600 to 2399 PV 8%, 2400 to 5499 10%, 5500 above you are 11%. Friends, in Vestige, the business works with the accumulation model. What is accumulation? In accumulation, your effort will not get zero. So what are the business you are doing, it will get accumulate month on month. For example, first month you are doing 2000 PV. So you are near 8% level, your income is 2880. Second month also you are doing same 2000 PV, but because of this accumulation, the last month business which you did 2000 and this month 2000, it is accumulation of 4000. You are near 10% level, your income is 3600. Third month also you are doing same 2000 PV, but because of this accumulation, previous month 4000 PV plus this month 2000, you are reaching 6000 PV, you are in 11%, your total income is 3960. So if you see, every month you are doing same 2000 PV, but income is getting increased because of accumulation. It will be very easy to reach your level. In Vestige, we have an additional advantage. For example, few people, they want to reach their level very fast. They want to start earn income very fast. For those kind of people, also Vestige giving a additional advantage. Fast start 8% and fast start director. Fast start 8%. So the normal procedure to reach a 8%, 600 PV is required. If somebody, if they do 282 PV in a single month, they are directly promoted as a fast start 8% and fast start bronze director. If you do 4,500 PV in a single month, you are qualified as a fast track bronze director. These are the additional advantage we have. So once you become 11%, you are qualified for bronze director bonus. For qualifying bronze director bonus, there is a qualification. What is the qualification is required? So the qualification is you should maintain 2000 PV in a single month. 2000 PV means in India, it is approximately 60,000 worth of business. Friends, imagine if you have a team of 100 or 200 people, it is very easy to maintain 60,000 business in the whole month, right? So Vestige is asking you to maintain minimum 2000 PV to qualify this bronze director bonus. Bronze director bonus 4% from the company global turnover. So this is not only from your business, it is from the company global turnover. When I say global turnover, not only from India, wherever the office is available, from all the turnover of 4% is shared among the qualified bronze directors. So bronze director bonus we will be getting as per this table. So next one is the silver director. So silver director business building bonus 14%. This is shared among the silver director and above. Leadership bonus. Any one of your downline team, when they maintain 5,625 PV, then you are qualified for LOB, leadership overriding bonus. LOB is one of the huge income in Vestige travel fund. Once you become a silver director, you are eligible for the travel fund of 5% from the company global turnover. Every year there is a 2 foreign trip. One is silver director and above, and second is diamond director and above. So till now more than 29 foreign trip we went through the Vestige opportunity. So we went to Scotland, Hong Kong, Tashkent, Dubai, Switzerland, Malaysia, Amsterdam, Paris, Beijing, Russia, Bali, Turkey, Australia, Abu Dhabi, Phuket, Bangkok and Thailand. 3 people qualify as a bronze director in your downline. Then your sidewall of 1001 PV is required. Then you are qualified star director level. One word you can see, continuously maintained for 3 months and qualified for life. What is meant by life? Friends, once you get qualified for a car fund, you will be getting a car fund for your lifetime until you maintain your silver director position. Till now, there are more than 5,000 people purchase the car through Vestige opportunity. More than 200 plus people purchase their luxury cars through Vestige business opportunity. If you maintain 6 people in your downline, then you are qualified crown director and continuously maintain for 3 months and qualified for your life house fund. 12 qualified directors in your downline, then you are double crown director and you are eligible to get 2% of Elite Club bonus. Vestige business on the go. So Vestige business is on mobile app. You can do your business using our Vestige mobile app. So everything is in mobile. You can join people, you can place your order, you can track your courier, you can send a courier to your downline. You can join people from any country using our mobile app. Everything is available in mobile. You can know your PV, BV, your bonus, everything. You can do business using our mobile app. We have support system to know your PV, your bonus, your password, your current month bonus, current month scheme, offers, everything you can get using our toll-free number. Vestige also giving a support for the distributor by giving offers like a repurchase offer, special agriculture product repurchase offer, lucky draw offer, joining offer, consistency offer with 100 PV, consistency offer with 60 PV, special promotional offer, special product launch offer. So many products Vestige is giving every month to support our distributor. Friends, the opportunity search of your life ends here. Ask yourself how tough today the job opportunity, the business opportunity outside. Ask yourself, even if you are ready to spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees, is there any business opportunity outside? No, because all the offline business are struggling today because all are available online. Just visualize yourself, whatever you seen in the last 20 minutes. Without any investment, there are thousands and thousands of people who changed their life from the scratch to extraordinary lifestyle through Vestige today. The same opportunity is also available for you if you believe on yourself that you can change your life. Friends, to join Vestige International Business Opportunity, send the following details to the person who showed you this video. I welcome you to the wonderful world of Vestige. Wish you wealth. Thank you.